Okay, folks, welcome to Market Wrap for the 28th. Okay, so an interesting day in that we saw in the pre-market NVIDIA, Tesla get knocked down. They did rebound off the lows, Tesla closing positive with NVIDIA closing off the lows, yet selling off into the close. We did add to our short position on NVIDIA on that counter to trend intraday rally. And we also opened up a new trade today. We've been talking about it. And members, we will talk about that chart in a moment. If you're not currently a member, sign up for our 14-day free trial offer. Take advantage of it. And join the gang. Join the community. I want to kick things off tonight with Micron Technology's earnings after hours. Now, Micron is moving up. It closed at 67.07. Was at one point in time, I believe, above 70. It has now pulled back some, yet still up relative to the close. What I took away from this report is guidance. And I think this is why you saw the fade. The forward-looking guidance calls for a Q4 loss. Now, keep in mind, they just reported a loss, and that's swinging to a loss. Q4 loss of 1.12 per share to 1.26 per share on revenue of 3.7 and 4.1. That's a problem, because the expectation by analysts is that forward-looking guidance would have been for a loss of $1.08 per share on revenue of $3.95 billion. So what they did is they took down their EPS loss and they gave themselves some room to maneuver and possibly underwhelm the street next quarter with a miss on revenues. So let's see how the markets absorb the report out of Micron after hours. You're not seeing a ton of volume here. Let's blow this up a little bit. And what I'm really interested in is the sympathy trade. Here is the rally, and you can see how we faded after hours on the news. The question is, do we hold it? Jury's out. Now, the sympathy trade is, because we're short, what is NVIDIA doing in the after hours? It's up slightly, but no real passion. Tesla, of which we are short, it is down in the after hours session fractionally. So Micron's report, I don't think is really going to help the street at all. They're one of the few tech sectors or tech names that are going to be reporting prior to the banks. And it's still going to be a few weeks before we get more heavy-duty tech names that come out. So there's plenty of room for volatility in this market. Now, moving on to the yield curve. I haven't spoken about this in a few days because there's really been nothing to talk about. And frankly, I haven't even looked at it all that much because I just know it's been down. And man, when I pull up this monthly chart, you could see. If you enjoyed this clip, please check out the full version in our members area by signing up for our 14-day free trial offer. We'd love to see you in the forum talking with some really great people. So act now, join, and get all of our commentary, market insight, trade alerts, and options income right now. 14-day free trial offer. I'll see you on the other side in the forum. Make sure you say hello. See you there.